Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal Azuki. My topic is Internet of Things, Soil Monitoring for Oil Palm Plantation. Introduction of Soil Monitoring. Soil monitoring with Internet of Things use technology to empower farmers and producers to maximize yields, reduce disease, and optimize resources. Internet of Things sensors can measure soil temperature, NPK, volumetric water content, photosynthetic radiations, soil water potential, and soil oxygen levels. Smart agriculture usually focus on soil, weather, and crop conditions. Current scenarios in oil palm plantations. The first one is smart farming implementation is low. The implementation of smart farming is restricted by several factors, such as big imperative for change, interoperability of different standards, and connectivity issues in rural areas. The second one is reliance on manual process. Currently, oil palm plantation rely on manual sampling for water condition tracking and maintenance procedures, which is prone to human error and insufficient. The third one is low exposure about Internet of Things among farmers. And the last one is unwilling to accept technologies. Issues and challenges for applying Internet of Things in oil palm plantations. The first one is lack of connectivity. Internet of Things platforms relying on 5G technology face challenges in rural oil palm areas due to low signal for communications. The lack of reliable connectivity in remote plantation areas pose barriers to the adoption of advanced technologies like IoT and 5G. The second one is high initial cost. The high initial cost for associated with Internet of Things implementations can be a barrier for small-scale oil palm plantations. And the third one is lack of skills to operate the system. The adoption of Internet of Things in oil palm plantations may be hindered by the lack of skilled personnel to operate and maintain the systems. Training and capacity buildings are necessary to ensure effectiveness utilization of Internet of Things technologies in the plantation sector. And the last one is lack of infrastructure.
Our prototype, which is only the black box on top. It has a solar panel to power the circuit inside. It has two sensors. On the left is the humidity and temperature sensor, and on the right it has a water level sensor. Now, inside of the box also has a relay that is controlled by the water level sensor. Right now we are testing the soil to see the salinity of the soil itself, and the data of the salinity of the soil will be sent to our computer through LoRa. Now, as you can see, this is our data over here that's being sent to a website that is called ThinkSpeak for our for the salinity of the soil over here. This is the data that we get for a few minutes ago. This is the data that we get for 2 minutes ago, the temperature and also the humidity. This is our LoRa receiver circuit that should be connected to our computer. Now, right now we want to test our water level system, our water level monitoring system. Now, inside of the box it has a relay, and that relay is being used to control a gating mechanism. Now, we do not provide a gating mechanism is because the gating mechanism has many types. So if our client want to provide the gating mechanism, they can. What the relay does is it is actually connected with our water level monitoring system. And so this has already reached to a distance that we set, and as you can see, this thing will operate. This is just to demonstrate the gating mechanism, and the buzzer will also turn on as it detected, and that is it.
As a conclusion, Internet of Things in agriculture has a bright future since it is revolutionizing farming practices. More AI and related technologies will soon be available to assist farmers in making more informed decisions through predictive analytics. More data will be gathered via satellites and drones, improving farming accuracy. Farmers may employ eco-friendly practices, be safer from climate change, and make better use of resources thanks to IoT. It functions similarly to a large, ever-expanding system that continuously seeks solutions to issues ensuring that farming gets increasingly sophisticated, robust, and effective worldwide.